Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I created this. I'm walking you through how I created this money bundle falling from the top. So initially I had opted to just use the GLB file individually. I did come over to After Effects, but the GLB file seems to be heavy. It's heavy for me to use, so having to do this individually for about 15 or more than 15 bundles will make the animation slow down. So the best and most convenient way to go around it is to animate the bundle here, do the animation here, and then export it to After Effects. So that is exactly what I did. So I'm going to walk you through how I achieved that. So first I animated them individually. This is the first state, and then I brought it down and just give it another state. So I did that for each of them, and then I offset each of the animation by a few frames. So this offset, this again, just like that. I just offset them individually until I got to the last one. So that was how I achieved this. And also let me walk you through the lighting. So I used one light here, I used another one here, and then at the back I also used another one here. Okay, so that is pretty much what I did for the lighting. I used scene light, but I off the scene word. I didn't make use of the scene word. Then also my rendering settings, I left them as they are. I used PNG RGBA for my rendering settings. Then I also baked it. That is what you're seeing here. I baked it, and pretty much that was all I did. Nothing too serious. And then I rendered it. After rendering, just click on render image. It renders it to the destination you set it to. And then coming to After Effects. So after rendering it, you can come here, and this is it. So these are the renders, the rendered images, all of them, about 48 are PNG. So I'm going to highlight all of them, select all of them, and then select PNG sequence. I'm going to select this and click on open. So it's going to come up like this, and then I'll bring it in. So this is the bundle of money, and so let me play it. Okay, so next thing I will do now is that I'm going to, it appears to be too fast. Play it again one more time. So I'm going to reduce the time. So I'm going to enable time remapping and sort of increase the frame rate. So it's going to fall down a little bit slower. So I'm okay with this. Okay, so this is good, but I want it to delay more, or I want more of it falling down. So what I just have to do is that I'll duplicate this, and then when this is about to complete, yes, this will now come up. Okay, so if you notice, it appears to be showing some parts here. So just to cater for that, I'll just scale it a little bit, maybe 110. I'll also do the same thing here, so it is uniform, 110. Okay, yep. So we have something like this falling down. Okay, so this is good. So one more thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to add blur effects to it. Just precious blur to this. I'm going to increase it to 10. Let's say 10. Yes, 10 is good. I'll do the same thing also for this. Let me just copy it here. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. So it applies here likewise. My figure, I'll take my figure up. I'll pick my figure up. So let me play the animation. Yes, so this is how I achieve the Naira bundle falling down, right? So this figure appeared, the Naira sign seemed not to not to look like the Naira sign. So this is because of the coming. Let me check that. Okay, let me change the font type. This is Montserrat. Let me use Proxima. I'm going to use Proxima Nova. Yes, so it's showing well this time. So if you're having issues not having the Naira sign showing exactly as Naira, you might want to change your font type to something else. Okay, so this is how I achieved it. I think it is pretty much exactly like the original animation. Okay, so that is it, guys. Follow me for the rest of the tutorials in this series. I'll be dropping more videos. Check this playlist to see more of the videos. Thank you for watching. Follow me, subscribe, like,